Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and support us for more useful engineering videos. Today we are going to understand the purpose and maintenance of a boiler atmospheric condenser. An atmospheric condenser is used to condense exhaust steam into water, recover condensate, reduce steam loss, and improve the overall efficiency of the boiler system by lowering back pressure. Proper maintenance is very important to keep the condenser efficient, which includes regular inspection, leak checking, and especially tube cleaning, because dirt, scale, and rust deposits on tubes reduce heat transfer efficiency. Tube cleaning should normally be done once every 3 to 6 months, or more frequently depending on water quality and operating conditions. In this video, we have cleaned the condenser tubes to restore proper heat transfer and efficiency, and we have also renewed the sacrificial anode, which is usually made of magnesium or zinc and protects the condenser tubes and casing from corrosion by corroding itself first. Once the anode is consumed, it must be replaced to prevent damage to the main metal parts. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming technical videos.